You love to fly, and your airplane provides incredible utility for business and leisure travel. But if you've been flying around with a legacy GNS430 series Navigator, and you want to do more than just basic direct-to navigation, like airway flight planning and LPV approaches, but you've been putting it off because it's just too complicated to fly, and you're also finding it's harder and more expensive to repair, it's probably time to upgrade. Avidyne's IFD440 FMS GPS Navcom is designed as a slide-in replacement for your old GNS430 series Navigator. In a very short amount of time, you can have your existing GNS430W pulled out and the new IFD440 slid right back into the same panel, using the same wiring, same connectors, and the same tray. With the IFD440, you can now fly with the easiest to use GPS Navcom available, with cool new features like Hybrid Touch, so you get a full touchscreen display, but you still have all the buttons you're used to, which is still nice to have, especially when flying in turbulent air. Synthetic Vision, which shows your flight plan along with 3D display of traffic, nearby obstacles, airports, and color-contoured terrain, along with terrain alerting. The easy page and tab pilot interface provides a flat menuing system that gets you to any page in 1 or 2 clicks. No more hunting and pecking through nested menus for hidden pages. Plus, all IFDs come with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can connect to the innovative IFD100 app or wirelessly transfer flight plans from ForeFlight right into your panel-mounted IFD. Got a GNS530? No problem. It's just as easy to swap it out for a new IFD540 or IFD550. With the IFD550, you'll get all the great features of the IFD440, plus a larger display, an attitude reference sensor for pitch and roll indication, plus egocentric synthetic vision, and Jeppesen electronic approach charts and airport diagrams too. And because it's a slide-in replacement, it means dramatically reduced installation time and aircraft downtime. With the IFD series, you'll be back in the air, getting the most out of your airplane in no time. Call your authorized Avidyne dealer or contact Avidyne directly for more details on the IFD440, IFD540, or IFD550 slide-in replacement for your tired old GNS. It's about that time.